Hello guys, how are you? So I'm continuing with the data science lecture series and already we have covered a lot of points related to data science. Though because of some hectic workload and other reasons, I am unable to continue lecture series. But now once again I have got some time and I have decided to continue this series. Look, what happens in data science? Data science is not a fixed syllabus one. You have need to do a lot of updation. You have need to do a lot of research and try to learn a lot of things. What happens every day, there are a lot of technology changes, lot of changes are coming in the market, and you have need to be prepared very well, guys, because you have need to update every day. Because I'm going to give you some examples. Looks, there are so many courses available on the nets and YouTube, and you can learn easily with them, such as machine learning or deep learning. But for now, what happened if you search in the recent market and if you try to look for the skills which new companies are looking, those are tremendously increasing. Means they want you should know all those concepts, basics, and up to the advanced level. For example, if you want to get for hire for particular company, then you should know from the scratch process to the up to the excellent level. Means from data gathering, you should know SQL knowledge database, you should know Power BI, Tableau. Then you should know machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning. You should know TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras. Then you should know computer visions. You should know various types of computer visions algorithms, object detection, ULO, then OCR, PyTesseract, layout LM, and all those. And you should know sufficient how those functions are handling, how those bounding boxes are created, and all those things are creating. So lot of things are emerging in the market and lot of changes happens, and don't think like it's other types of field job like a civil engineer or others where you don't need to make a changes. Here you need to do a lot of study and upgradation. And also in the machine learning, lot of algorithms are emerging such as XGBoost, Light LGM, BGM, and you see there are a lot of continuous list going on, but you should know some basic one. And now recent industries are looking towards the candidates who has also some knowledge related to ChatGPT prompts, how he will going to handle all those prompts. Means what type of candidate they are searching, a candidate who has a knowledge to how to use the ChatGPT. Means that candidate should know to give a command, how should be command given to the ChatGPT so that it can give faster and very easy solution. So those types of requirements also emerging, and definitely you should know ML ops, then CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous development pipeline, and simple one version control tools. So those are should must that Bitbucket offer. And initially, while taking the interview, they were asking the very easy questions related to Python, such as list, tuple, or just a simple one to create a data frame or to handle some non-values or data and to give us some codes related to string. But now what happens, they have increased their depth of asking very high level. Means they will going to ask you some uh, they will going to give us some list within the list or nested list, and they want to use the filter or that map lambda functions. Though it seems very easy, but if they ask the particular problem, then you should know definitely them. Then in the pandas or data frame, they will going to ask you a deep level questions. So you should do a very well practice, or whenever you are doing in your working area, also try to do it from your side without searching every time it's on the Google or Net. And for the theoretical questions also, they have increased the depths. They will going to ask you very simple questions, but they want the answer at a very clear cut and clear point of view. Whatever projects you have done, please remember you should know thoroughly knowledge of all those concepts and all those technology, how what points you are doing, and whatever questions they may be asked, you should give all those answer confidently without facing any issue. And please keep continuing study. Take the help of Google, YouTube, ChatGPT. Try to learn. Try to read various blogs, like with the analytics, then data science camps. Then there are various blogs. They give various sufficient and very crisp knowledge. And also try to learn that transformer attention layer mechanism, multi-head attention encoder decoder. Though initially it seems very difficult to understand, but trust me, this is the part because you should need to learn all those embedding layers, various types of embedding, how will you create your own vectors and all those. And those concepts are very important because in your interview they will going to ask, or while working in your company, you also require all those techniques. So I have just given some areas of focus where should you have need to do all those focusing points, and always keep revising whatever you are doing, and it's like a study field. Whatever you are work doing in the company, alongside also try to do a revision, try to learn so many things. There are so many platforms available, so many data available on the net, so many courses available. Try to learn, try to improve. Don't consider that once you have done means you will going to remember it's for the lifetime. It's not going to happen. You have need to upgrade, you have need to learn very well. So this is a basic one, and I have just tried to give a video related data science, how, what technology and what tools, what the current trends happening in the market. So I hope you have liked those videos, and if you want any changes or if you want any particular topic related video, then please try to ask me. I will always going to share that video with you. So thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.